Welcome back. We already discussed about the features of the Canva. So now we are going to see step by step how to create. First, we will see how to create a poster, and then we will see how to create an Instagram post, and how to create an invitation, how to create a presentation, and how to create a flyer, how to create a brochure, business card, and logo. We are going to create a logo also, right? So first we will create a poster and let's see. Okay. So now I'm going to create a poster and you should be ready with the poster content. Okay. So for what topic you are going to create a poster, or if, for example, if you are going to create a poster for your client, you should be ready with that client, what is client's business, and now, what's the client logo? You should be ready with their logo. You should be ready with their call to action details like their phone number, the email ID, their address, the location, and everything, the content and everything. Once you get the content, you can take the help of the chat GPT and you can create the content ready for that poster. Okay. So now I want to create a poster for digital marketing course admission open. Okay. I am going to create a poster for my digital marketing course example, right? So first try to search for such type of posters. Okay, if we get ready-made posters, then we can make some changes instead of creating from the scratch. Try to get some ready-made posters. Okay, these are all the posters, and now okay, click on create blank. Okay, wait, here is the template. Okay. So we want a poster for the digital marketing online classes. Okay. Digital online. So let's check if you can able to get online classes for student for 1 to 10. Okay. We can take the help of that content. Okay. Live coding classes, mathematics classes. Okay. Online course. We are getting many posters. Okay, templates. You can select one template and you can create the poster. Okay. For example, so I like this. For example, I like this or business online classes. Okay. So first we will create this one and we will try to create this, use this template also. Okay. Now I'm going to use this template. Okay. So this is a template. Okay. So this image is not my photo, of someone else's photo. If you want to use some random images, photos, that is also fine. But now at this moment, I don't want to use some other people's image. I want to use my own image. See, digital marketing class. We have one more template. Digital marketing class. See, we have many templates. Okay. We can use any of the template. This template seems to be very nice. After clicking here, so I like this template. So I'm going to click on plus page, and add page, and then I'm going to add this one also. After creating that, I can create a poster using this template also. Okay. So now, okay, this is the template. And I already told you I'm ready with the content. Digital marketing, this is the heading. Digital marketing course, admission open. Okay. So I'm going to copy this one, this digital marketing course, that is the heading. One here. This is the heading. This is in big letters. Okay. The font of that heading is very big. It is coming out of that box, right? So here you can reduce the font like this also, or you can select this font and you can see the font, which font they have used. And this is the number, right? You can reduce the number. Now it is in 108. Just select 72 and see. Okay. Now, hmm, this is fine. Okay. Digital marketing course and admissions open. You want to add this one, admissions open. Okay. Open this and admissions open. Okay. I'm I'm not changing anything. Just whatever is there in that template, using that, from that template only I'm adding. Okay. So now the next one is, so learn SEO, social media. This is become a digital marketing expert. Learn SEO, social media, Google Ads, and more. Limited seats, free demo class available. Okay, 100% practical training, live project, certification, placement support, and the call to action is enroll now. And then we need to give the contact details. Remember one thing, whenever you create any business poster, business flyer, brochure, for anything for the business purpose, one thing is you should have a logo. You should add that logo. And next one is call to action. That is very, very important. Call to action means what they should do after seeing this poster. Enroll now or call us now, whatever it means. Okay. So now what you will learn. Okay. This 100%. I'm going to add this one. I'll remove this one. Remove, remove. Okay. I'm removing this dollar sign. Something I didn't like this dollar sign. Okay. And then limited source, already it is there. In our content also, limited source is limited. This is already we have added. Okay. And this one also we have added. Okay. Now limited seats, free demo class available. Okay. So limited seats here already they have mentioned limited slots available. Or if you want to mention as limited seats are available, you can add that one also. Okay. Limited seats. Your wish. It is fine. Actually, we can keep that limited slots available is also fine. But if you want to change limited seats, free demo class available. Free demo class is available. Okay. So this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Now, this also we have added. Okay. Now, become an digital marketing expert. I want to add this one. This is very important for my client. And he or she told that this is very important. So I need to add that one. Okay. So some way admissions open. Copy this. Okay. Become a digital marketing expert. Okay. So this is the content. And one more thing. And this I am leaving that one. Okay. Or okay. Learn SEO, social media, Google Ads, and more. Okay. It will be clumsy if I add. Okay. I will add that one. Okay. You can bring this here. Just drag and drop. Okay. This one we will make changes later. Okay. Now basic poster we are making it. We are making a more basic poster. Okay. Now the call to action. Okay. Enroll now. Enroll now. And then whatever the phone number your client gives. Okay. That phone number. And if they give their email ID, that email ID. Okay. A client's email ID. Okay. So now this is the poster. So here we have one image. We can add, I want to remove this image and I want to add some digital marketing image, right? So we will get the images from elements. we will get most of the times you will be using these elements only, images, videos, text, or graphics, elements, shapes, everything you will get from these elements. Okay. So now I want images, digital marketing ka images, digital marketing. Okay. So these are the graphics. If you want to add graphics, you can add graphics, but I want images. Okay. These are the photos and these are the videos. Okay. Digital solution. Okay. I'm going to add this one here. Yeah. In this frame, I have added digital solution. And here also I want to add uh, one more image. Okay. And I want to change this photo also. Okay. Okay. Here I want to add any image, right? If you want to add your own images, your client's images, right? So you need to upload that images here. Already I have few images and I can add these images. So if I want, I can add my image. Okay, I'm uploading here. I have few images in my laptop. 1 minute. Here I have images. So just one image I'm going to upload. Okay, and this is the image. And I want to add this image. It seems to be something attaching. It's not looking nice. Okay, the previous image is better. So now what we can do is we can remove the background of this image, but it is available only in the paid version. Okay, so select this image. Okay, now this is the poster. This is the image. Okay, this is in the paid version only. You can see the background image here, right? So click here. Okay. So this is the image. Now this image is coming front side. We want to push this image to the back side of this frame. Okay, then what we can see is this is a position. When you want to work on this image, select that image. If your cursor is here, if it is selecting the entire poster, here you can't push the image to the back side of this frame, right? Now select this image and then click on this position. Okay, and then arrange and then back. See, if you are totally pushing that one, it is going back. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is the image. Okay, so this is the poster. Now we don't have the logo. Okay, so we need to add logo also. Okay, in the next video, what we will do is first we will create a logo and we will try to create this poster also. While creating this, we will see different types of fonts and everything. Okay, let's meet in next video.